What's up YouTube, JCS Customs here. Super excited for this video. Been waiting to get off work. I'm finally off work and I have a 3-day weekend with the 4th of July on Saturday, so they gave us Friday off. So I'm super excited about that. I am a little under the weather. I think it's just an upper respiratory infection. I don't have any of the symptoms of COVID or anything like that. So anyways, making this video because we are going to unbox my gloss black ZL1 rims that just dropped off about 30 minutes ago probably. And so it was a long 30 minutes waiting for work to be over with, but hey, the weekend has started and I'm ready to open these bad boys up and just see what they look like. All right, as you can see, they're from factory reproductions and it's ZL1 style 28 20x9s, 5x20, 67 for bore, and gloss black. So, got this huge knife to get this open. Want to be careful, don't want to accidentally scratch rim here. Cut it this way too. Let's go cut this side. This rim, this knife is very sharp. Okay, moment of truth. The box said gloss black, so I hope they're right. Oh man, I can't wait to see what these look like. Limited warranty. Okay. This is my first ever rim upgrade, so I'm really excited for this. Still having issues getting my bumper in for the boreless, so can't do that yet. So it looks like it's going to be the rims that gets done first. Okay, man, the anticipation. They wrapped it in so much stuff. Hopefully none of them scratched or cracked. All right, this feels like the front here. Damn, that's up pretty good. Oh man. Look at those, man. Man. It's beautiful. Beautiful rim. So they never answered my question, but they did not come with lugs. So I will have to buy lugs, it looks like. But man, look at those. That is just beautiful. They're gonna look so much better than what's on the car right now. Yep, I'm gonna have to get some lugs. I want to change this center cap out too. Get the gloss black Chevy bow tie, maybe do the outline of the bow tie in the crush orange. But man, look at that. That is just badass. And the quality too. Being from reproductions like this, it's a reproduction replica. I thought the quality would be noticeable, but you can't tell. They look just like the ZL1 rims. Man, it's a beautiful rim. I am going to open all these up just to make sure they're all right. My phone actually ran out of memory there, so I had to delete some stuff and so I can record this part of the video. But the rims look great. Can't wait to put them on. I ordered some Gorilla Acorn style lugs. We can see what those are going to look like. They should be here Monday, so we'll get these rims put on. Like always, appreciate y'all watching YouTube. Until next time, peace out.